Making some ramen today with some broccoli and mushrooms. Soy is not necessarily the best for you, but I decided to add a little soy and some earthbound butter. It is the soy-free kind. And I am sauteing these in coconut oil. So, we're just waiting for our ramen to be done. The water hasn't started boiling yet. In the meantime, I'm going to put my broccoli in a plastic container with some paper towels to keep some of the moisture out. And then we're going to put that in the Frigidaire along with our mushrooms. I will not be using the seasoning packet that comes with it. I'll be using some Slap Your Mama, some Thai red curry paste, onion powder, garlic powder, and Bragg's liquid amino to flavor my pasta or my noodles. Alright, I'll be back. Okay, we're almost there. And here we are.